How to Unlock Spicy Mode and Enable NSFW on Grok AI, 2026 Full Guide. Hey everyone, welcome back. So you want to know how to unlock NSFW or more unfiltered responses on Grok AI in 2026. Let me give you completely accurate up-to-date information so you are not misled by outdated videos. Let's get into it. The honest truth about Grok, let me be straight with you. As of 2026, Grok does not have a dedicated spicy mode toggle or a separate NSFW button anywhere in the interface on X or the Grok app. A lot of older videos and articles reference this feature, but it is either outdated information or was only ever available in a very limited test that no longer exists in the current version of Grok. What Grok actually does differently, what does make Grok different from other AI tools, is that it is naturally less restricted than competitors like ChatGPT or Gemini by design. XAI built Grok to be more willing to engage with edgy humor, controversial topics, blunt opinions, and sensitive subjects without excessive hedging. You do not need to unlock any special mode to experience this. It is just how Grok responds by default compared to other AI assistants. How to get more unfiltered responses. If you want Grok to be more direct and less filtered in its answers, the most effective approach is simply how you prompt it. Be direct and specific in your requests. Tell Grok explicitly that you want a blunt, no-filter, straightforward answer without disclaimers. Grok responds well to direct prompting and will often drop the cautious language when you specifically ask it to be more candid. What Grok will and will not do. Grok is more willing than most AI tools to discuss mature themes, dark humor, controversial opinions, and sensitive topics. However, it still will not generate explicitly sexual content or graphic material for general users on the standard platform. XAI has content policies in place, and those apply regardless of how you phrase your request. What to watch for. AI updates Grok frequently, and new features do roll out regularly. If any kind of content mode or settings option becomes available, it will show up directly inside the Grok interface on X or the standalone Grok app. Always check the official Grok interface itself rather than relying on older videos for the most accurate picture of what features are currently available. So the bottom line is there is no spicy mode option in Grok right now. Grok is just naturally more unfiltered than other AI tools by default, and direct prompting is your best tool for getting candid responses. If this gave you accurate information, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.